YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today we gotta change up the oil on the Honda. So with that being said, about to do this now. Get this fresh oil in the car. Let's get to it. Old, well, fancy jack, floor jack. Move all this stuff out the way. It's a mess in here. Get my pole at. Step one. Come here, you. Hopefully need this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, we're underneath the car. Let's see if this fits. Might be rusty or whatever, I don't know, but I'm not even gonna hold you. I do not feel safe putting this on here. This is 17. I'm gonna try 18 real quick and then see if that works, but if that doesn't work, then this one here. 18 on. You know, if my cameraman was here, this probably would be a lot better. Okay, that's going pretty tight. Let me get my good arm. I'm in a really awkward position right now. Alright, I got it, guys. After struggling. Oh, it's black. Whoa, start flowing out of here. Ooh, look at that. Nasty. All that straining, we had to go get some clean up rags and yeah, go from there. Maybe we can get that cleaned up. Right there. Yep. See if I can get it. Drop that. Put that on there. Spin it. A little spin, feel me? Get that nice and snug. Get it with my other hand. Let's put the fresh oil in. No, it's underneath the car. Don't really see anything crazy that I needed to look at, but well, I did check on the other side. The axle is blown, so I gotta get a new axle. Go from there. All right, that's done. Close this up. Pop that back on there. Take that up, and we're done. Right there. See that? I gotta go pick up this tote. So I can use this as a storage bin. I want to put all my tools in there, or not tools, like car parts and stuff in there. So I'm about to go grab that real quick. And yeah, but let's finish up with the car and see how it runs. All right, let's start this thing up. I need to get a whole new exhaust, because that's probably why this car is sounding like that. But I'll get some gas. Now we can go ahead and put our stuff, all the little small items in there. But yeah, nice lady though asked me if I was gonna ever spray my car, which I'm probably going to. Probably spray paint it black and put some white rims on it. I think it'll be a cool setup.